they fall down. Sorry guys, you're Shrinky Dinks. Oh no, we're Shrinky Dinks. We're shrinking. Okay, all of you are Shrinky Dinks, okay? We're doing a project. You're gonna go in the oven. We're gonna dead. You're not gonna get dead, okay? You're not gonna be Shrinky Dinks forever. You're gonna be Shrinky Dinks, still, you're just gonna go in the sink. See this? Okay, you're not gonna burn. Welcome to Learning League. What we're doing today is down here. Shrinky Dinks!
Shrinky Dinks? What do you do with them?
You put cutter them, put them in yarn, and then put them in the oven, and then let them go small, and then you can put make a necklace.
Good. Did you get it open?
Yeah. Whew. Got this open from these handy scissors. I think I need.
Be very careful.
I know. Okay, get that. Got that. This thing. Ooh, these are cute.
All right.
Shrinky Dinks.
What is on them? Can you show the camera what is on them?
They're Elsa and Anna and everything. And there's stuff.
Elsa and Anna and Olaf.
Not Spin.
Not Sven on there.
And an ice horse.
Ooh, the ice horse. That's one of my favorites. Okay, you want to start coloring them?
Ice horse.
The ice horse.
Elsa too. Oh no, they fall down. Sorry guys, you're Shrinky Dinks. Oh no, we're Shrinky Dinks. We're shrinking. Okay, all of you are Shrinky Dinks, okay? We're doing a project. You're gonna go in the oven. We're gonna dead. You're not gonna get dead, okay? You're not gonna be Shrinky Dinks forever. You're gonna be Shrinky Dinks, still, you're just gonna go in the sink. See this? Okay, you're not gonna burn. See? It don't burn. Okay, that's
Color?
yeah. I'm really obsessed with Olaf.
You're obsessed with Olaf?
Yeah. He's reading books. See? Reading books. Are we gonna melt? No. You're shrinkings. You can't melt. Oh, like me, I can't melt. In the oven. There's the oven. Right there.
What color are you gonna color him?
Okay. Just you need to see. Also, you're not gonna melt because you can tear this apart. Oh no, her foot.
Her foot? It's okay.
I think they're gonna get together when they're.
Maybe we can try to stick it back together.
Maybe we can just do this.
Mm-hmm. And maybe it'll melt together.
Yeah.
We'll see.
I want to do something with her.
If you guys are doing this at home, remember to have an adult. Hi, I'm the adult. And there they are.
I don't know why these break. I hope this one doesn't break. Don't break. Don't break. Oh, that did one break.
We have Anna, Ice Horse.
And the broken leg part.
It's okay.
I know what we can call her.
Is there what we got?
I know what we can call her, Blog.
What?
Broken leg.
Broken leg?
Because she broke her leg.
That's silly.
This is the last one. This is the foot one. I need to color that.
Okay. So which one are you going to color first?
I'm gonna color Olaf
Okay.
because I'm obsessed with him.
You're obsessed with him?
Yeah.
Okay, let's color Olaf.
I'm really obsessed. He's gonna be around. Oh, it actually comes on this spot. Whoa, you can't see.
Why can't I see? I want to see.
It's a surprise.
Oh, it's a surprise. Okay. Can Mommy color one?
Yeah, you can color her. You can color
Okay.
her. You can color her blue.
I'm gonna color her dress blue.
Her dress is not blue. Her
Oh.
dress is green.
Okay.
I'm gonna do Olaf's body.
Alright,
Yes.
guys, I'm gonna color.
I need orange. Oh no. Oh no.
Okay.
Yeah, show blog your nails. Blog? See.
Yeah, we went and got our nails done today.
In purple.
Pretty. Okay.
Now I need orange for his nose. That's brown. Okay, that's orange.
What do you think, Blog? Am I doing good?
Oh my, that's terrible.
Why is it terrible?
This is a surprise, okay, blog?
Okay.
This one's a surprise. I'm gonna leave Olaf's whole body white because his whole body is white. So I'm just gonna color this part. Mommy, I want you to see mine. I don't want
Okay.
the bulb to see mine.
Oh, you want just me to see it?
Yeah. See? Yeah.
Okay. So we're not gonna see Sophia's, but we're gonna see Mommy's. This is what Mommy did.
I'm almost done. I'm just gonna color Olaf.
She's going into the unknown. Isn't that very cool? Mommy's so proud of it. And then we have this one to color. And that one to color.
I'm almost
one's
done
color.
with mine.
And Sophie's almost done. Can we
done.
see yours?
I just need to close my lid. Where is my lid? Okay, that's... Hey. I want you to see it almost. Da-da-da-da. Mine. That's...
Ooh, that is the most handsome Olaf I've ever seen. What do you think,
Yeah.
guys?
I know. These dots are snow. Those dots are snow.
Look at that handsome Olaf.
I need to color his underfoot. There you go.
Okay.
Let's see
What one
again,
are you going
see
to color
again.
next?
I'm gonna color the unknown one,
Okay. Just going to color that one next.
and then you can color this one because that's a boy.
She wants me to color this one.
Okay, that's my handsome Olaf, and now
I
the
love
book
your
is
handsome Olaf.
like all of the books and that book that he's reading is blue.
I love it. Okay. We're going to finish coloring.
Bye bye, guys. I don't want you to see.
It's a secret what Sophia's doing.
Do you want to see?
Mm-hmm.
Pretend the blog is trying to see.
I want to see. I want to see. I
No.
want to see.
It's a surprise! I don't want you to see.
Okay. We'll cover our eyes. We'll look at Mommy's. This is the one Mommy did. And then this one's the one Mommy did. And then this one's the one Sophia did. And then we still have this one to go.
And that one. I'm gonna color that one, and Mommy's gonna color that one.
I think you should color both of them.
Mommy, but I don't.
You don't want to?
Okay, I want to. No.
We didn't look. We're looking at your face.
Okay.
What's your favorite thing about the Frozen movies?
Elsa.
Elsa?
Ah, that makes green.
Yeah.
Yellow and blue makes green.
Mm-hmm.
I learned something new.
Do you like Frozen 1 better or Frozen 2 better?
Frozen 2 because Elsa comes back on Frozen 2.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Who's your favorite character?
Elsa.
Elsa.
And the snow, like the snow horse, the snow horse.
Oh, the Snore Horse, yeah.
Blog, you can almost see mine. It's so cute.
Whoa.
I just mixed it green in her hair.
I
so
love
it's
that.
green.
That looks so good.
The oven.
Bake. 3:25. Start. It's a 3:25. Okay.
Mommy, I'm done.
Okay. I'll be over there in a second.
Why'd you phone me?
Can I see it?
No.
You just said I could see it. Ooh.
They're all
That is
pink.
so cool.
They are purple.
Are you done?
Yeah. Okay. And then I'm gonna do this one.
Ah.
That is broken. Where's the foot?
Okay.
I did this.
All right. Put it on up here.
I did both sides.
Mm-hmm.
So this is mine.
Okay. Now back up. I'm gonna put them in.
Okay.
Here they go. Okay. Now we get to watch. It said like 1 to 3 minutes is usually how long it takes. Watch out.
I want to sit on your knee.
Okay. Are they curling at all?
That one is curling.
They are curling. They're shrinking.
Let's see if that one curls. That one is curling. That one is small. That one is getting small. Oh, that one is getting small. Let's see. Oh.
Okay, I think we should take them out soon. Okay, stand back. Right out of the oven. They look so good. We're gonna wait for them to cool down. And then we're gonna put them on a necklace. Go.
Boom.
There's Sophia. All right, show us what we got.
We got this, we got this, we got this. And that turned out good.
Mm-hmm. It kind of looks like she's a ballerina and she's twirling.
It's nice.
All right, so what one do you want to turn into a necklace first?
This one.
That one? Okay.
And where is the scissors that I'm gonna use?
I thought I put them down there.
It's right there.
Oh, they're there.
They are there.
Okay, make a necklace. I'll have to tie it for you after I get done filming.
Now,
Okay?
now put them in. Oh, that one can't go in. Oh no. There's an emergency. That ends. I can't get it in.
You can't get it done?
Maybe I can just cut one more time.
Well, you can't make it too short because then it won't go around your wrist or your neck.
That long.
Okay, now try.
I'll try. This end is very good. It's not good.
Do you need some help?
Yeah.
Okay.
Mommy's gonna get me help. Bye. Boom.
Look at our charms. Look at our charms. There's mine.
And there's mine.
And there's Sophia's. Do you love them?
Yeah.
We're so pretty.
They're so pretty.
Yay.
Are you filming?
Yep. All right, tell our friends bye. Say bye.
Bye. Bye.
See you later.
Ciao.